I also got this very cheap Haircare. So imagine getting both of them for 7,000 something, 1,500 actually, 1,500. This is 1,000. Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing a lot of skincare and hair care products which I shopped during Black Friday sales. Okay, I just picked up this last package, but I have like three other ones and I've unboxed one, but I'm going to share with you guys all the items I got and the prices. Okay, with that being said, let's quickly unbox. Okay, I'm going to be starting off with this first package which I got from Jumia Nivea store. Okay, I already opened it, but the first thing here is this roll on. Okay, this roll on, and this is the Nivea Men Deep Carbon Dark Wood Antiperspirant. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, I got this for 3,000 something. I'll put the exact price on the screen. Okay, during their Black Friday sale. The next thing I got here inside this pack is this Nivea Radiance and Beauty body lotion. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, I got two of these for 7,000 something or so, and you know the price currently is for one is around 6,000 naira. So imagine getting both of them for 7,000 something. I also got this Nivea antiperspirant hair and beauty. I think this is for women and this is for men, but I like to use both of them. Okay, this is what it looks like. I got these three packs for 3,000 something. The price will be on the screen. Let's proceed to open up this second package, which is mostly skincare products. Okay, and I started shopping I started this a few days back, buying most of my skincare and hair care products during Black Friday sales, and it has really helped me a lot in financially. Okay, in like saving money. The first thing in this second pack is this face pad renew plus radiance retinol serum. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to get, there should be a receipt inside so I can, tell you guys the price as I proceed. Can't seem to find it, or I don't know. I can't seem to find the receipt, but I'll put the prices on the screen. I got two of this retinol serum. Okay, this is my first time of actually purchasing it. I want to start including retinol in my skincare routine. Okay, the next thing I have here is this Hatamoji. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but Hatamoji UV Care Moisturizing Sunscreen. Okay, this is what it looks like. This I'm just going to attach the picture on the screen in case you're interested. Okay, I also attach the price. I got two of these. Okay, 250 ml. The next thing I have here is this beauty formulas moisture serum. Okay, this is what it looks like. I think I only have one of that. I also got the beauty formulas illuminating serum 10% niacinamide. Is what it looks like. The prices will be on the screen. Okay, the next thing I got here is this brightening vitamin C, beauty formulas brightening vitamin C. And the reason I'm mentioning, or I bought a lot of beauty formula products, is because their products are really affordable. This skin toner is 3,500. Their face cream is 3,500, and their face cleanser, okay, face cleanser, and I've been using that for a while now and it seems really good for my skin. Okay, so I got three of these beauty formulas brightening vitamin three of these beauty formulas brightening vitamin C facial tonic. Okay, three. And the next thing I have here is this face fat ceramide skin barrier complex foaming cleanser. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see because it's kind of sealed. I'll attach the picture on the screen. Okay, I got two of these. The next thing I have here is this Dove Pink. Okay, this is the pack of four. And the last thing I got is this New Skin Extra Plant Extract blah blah blah. This is a body cream, and this is my first time of purchasing these two. But the price range of this body cream is actually very good. I got it for 6,000 something. I can remember here. Like this is what it looks like. I also attach the picture anyways. And that is all I have inside this package. That's all. Finally found the receipt, okay, of my purchase inside the bag. And to the last package I got, I have this Chapet Cherry lip balm, whatever. Okay, this is like 400 naira each, and you know this is the Hamatan season. I have the TCB Naturals Living Treatment with shea butter, butter and coconut oil. I got these two packs of these, and this is my first time of buying this, and I've been having a tough time finding a leave-in conditioner that works for my hair and that is affordable. Decided to try this one out, okay, and this I got this pack for 2,500 each, so this two is 5,000 naira. The next thing I have here is I decided to buy this Miracle Shampoo Natural Hair Anti-Dandruff Anti-Injury Castor Oil. Okay, I bought this for 1,200. I actually bought this ones in this market. Okay, and I also got this Ella Mentholated Shampoo. I've been using this for a while now. This is 1,200. This is 1,500 actually. 1,500. This is 1,200. I also got a bit of body spray and body mist. This is the Confetti London Cora perfume deodorant body spray. I think I got this for 3,000 naira. Okay, and I also got this very cheap body mist. Okay, this is like the cheapest thing you can get in the market. I think this is like 1,800 naira each. And to be honest, the fragrance doesn't, the body mist doesn't like really last that long. But what I do is that whenever I buy it, I pour in all these essential oils, like all this. Saying is that if you're buying this very cheap body mist and you want it to last longer, simply pour your oil perfume inside it. Okay, it's going to make the scent last longer. Okay, I got this goji berry facial cream with hyaluronic acid, retinol and organic botanicals. Okay, I've been looking for this face cream for the longest, and I just found it and decided to buy it. Okay, even though I still have like something I'm already using. I got it for 3,500. Okay. The last thing I have here is this sheet mask. Okay. This is Bio Aqua. Let me just show you guys. I think this I bought this for like 1,000 or 800 naira. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay. And then I think one of them is a free gift from one of the brands I shopped from. And that is all. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.